Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Huntington Mortgage account online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in huntington.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Huntington. So if you want to access and manage your mortgages, what you have to do is simply log into the Huntington online banking account. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this option login that you can see in this interface. Now you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find the options like personal and business, commercial, other over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option forgot username and you'll be able to recover it. Now what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forgot password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your username and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Huntington Mortgage account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.